I'm going to show a video on taking these door handles off. There's 2 bolts in the door handles that have a 7/16 head. They come in from the back side, so you have to take the door panel off to get them off. I actually ordered new door handles. I just ordered them from eBay. They come from a company called Jolt. Jolt seems like they make a few Cadillac parts that nobody else sells. And I'm also going to be taking the door lock off, and there's a clip that holds the lock on, the keyhole. I'm going to show how to take that clip off. I also ordered a new mirror, a door mirror from that company, and the mirror looks really good. So, again, in order to paint this right, this has to come off. This door handle is going to have to come off. And that's why I ordered new ones. All the pitting in the chrome, anything that they sell new, I figure why not? I'm going to be stripping this down to the metal again. My brother attempted to strip it, but he got sick and wasn't able to complete it. So I primered it black on top of what he'd already done. I've already stripped the rear quarter panel down. And I gotta strip the rest of the top and the doors. That's why I'm doing this now. Anyway, the bolts that hold the door handle on, probably kind of hard to see, but they're right up in there. They're right up in there on the back side of the door handle. I can't even show you on the video. One of them is right there. You can definitely feel them. Anyway, just a ratchet with a short socket, a 1/4-inch drive ratchet with a short socket, and you can take those off. I'll show a video, but there's really not much I can show. It's in a place that's just about impossible to see. So you need a 7/16 socket. You gotta reach up through the door here like this. I actually had more trouble getting the clip off for the lock than I did getting the door handle off. Biggest problem is it's in an awkward place that you can't really see. I believe these door handles were only for 67 and 68, but they go on the same for every car. Every GM car through these years. Chevrolet, they went on exactly the same. They were a little different shape. This don't really take that long to take them off. Like I said, the worst part of it by far is trying to reach your hand up in there to them. If it was out where you could reach it easily, it would come off really fast. But it's not. One thing makes it a little bit easier if you pull out on it as you're removing it. It puts a little bit of tension on it so the ratchet will still have enough tension to click. There we go. Not hard, just 2 bolts. A lot harder to get to it than it is to remove it. There's a gasket, hopefully the new one. I'm sure it'll come with a new gasket. Anyway, that's it for the door handle. The 2 bolts holding it on. So then I've got the door. So then I've got the door lock, and you can kind of see it down through the hole. There's a clip that holds it on. You got to take I use a pair of channel locks to get it off. Try to take a little video of me doing that, even though you can't really see much. Harder on this side because I'm not left-handed. Kind of had to tap it with a hammer. To get the other one off. Hopefully this one won't be that way. Yep, this one was a lot easier. It's coming off in my hand almost. I'll say that. Yep. Alright, so that's what it looks like. The clip that holds it on. Once you get that off, it pulls right out of the hole. And the clip's on there like this. So that's what's holding it in. I'll tape everything together so I don't lose it. Because those clips are not, some of the ones that come with the aftermarket ones are terrible. If you're trying to change door locks on your car though, that's how you would have to do it.